Welcome back. Directorate of Health Services celebrated World Health Day in Kala Academy on Saturday. The theme of the function was Aging and Health. Dr. Damodar Bhosle was felicitated during the function. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April to mark the anniversary of the founding of WHO in 1948.
World Health Day was celebrated by Directorate of Health Services in Kala Academy on Saturday. Dr. H.M. Hunde and Dr. Madhur Gupta gave a presentation on theme of the function, Aging and Health. Dr. Damodar Bhosle was felicitated at the hands of the Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar during the function. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that good health adds to life of an individual. He said that medical checkup should be made compulsory for all the people in the state.
Good health adds life to your years, your aging and health. हे जीवनात वर्सां वाडयली म्हणून मोठो फायदो जाता असो ना. जी वाडयल्ली वर्सां आसात ती आनंददायी जातली जर ती समाधानान जर गेली तरच त्या वाडलेल्या वर्सांक किंमत आसा आनी महत्व आसा. केवळ MLA हेचेच जीवन महत्वाचें ना, सामान्य मनीसूय तितलोच महत्वाचो आसा आणि त्यामुळे येणाऱ्या काळात निश्चितपणे हळूहळू सगळ्याच जनतेचे म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट तर आसाच पण सगळ्याच जनतेचो मेडिकल चेकअप कंपल्सरी करचो अशें म्हाका दिसता. थोडो आर्थीक थोडो प्रश्न आसतलो पण जर इच्छाशक्ती आसात जाल्यार आर्थीक प्रश्न हो नगण्य उरता. वी कॅन सर्टनली ओवरकम इट. येणाऱ्या काळात ते हळूहळू जातलें, जावंक जाय आनी जातलें.
Lifeline Foundation organized special program on World Health Day in Indiranagar, Chimbel on Saturday. Dr. Madhur Gupta was the chief guest of the function.
Every year, the World Health Day is celebrated on the 7th April, and the theme is largely selected for an agenda which has a global impact. So this year's theme is Aging and Health, and the slogan for the World Health Day theme is Good Health Adds Life to Years. So this theme has been selected by WHO, World Health Organization, because it is common to all countries, it is common to all communities and sexes.
A reporter from Panjim, Devendra Gaonkar.
Students of Gomant Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya and Research Center have shown interest in working in rural areas in the state. By seeing their interest, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured the students of accommodating them in rural government hospitals lacking doctors.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured the students of creation of posts for Ayurvedic and homeopathic doctors along with allopathic doctors in rural government hospitals. He was speaking during felicitation function of Sakri MLA Dr. Pramod Sawant organized by Ayurvedic Mahavidyalaya and Research Center at Shiroda.
म्हाका एकूच प्रश्न आहा, तुम्ही रुरल भागात वचपाची तयारी आसा? जाल्यार मागीर म्हाका दिसता we can consider appointing many doctors, much more than what you asked. 11 पोस्ट केल्ले, जाल्यार 11 पोस्ट केल्ले ते सारके भरून ना. In many places there are no doctors available with the government in rural areas. If we can't get allopathic, at least the Ayurvedic will be there. I'll create both. Allopathy astale, but Ayurvedic astale. But so Ayurvedic / homeopathy. And up to an extent, you can practice allopathy as per law. Whatever is permissible, we will permit it.
Dr. Pramod Sawant, after being felicitated, said that Ayurvedic Institute should be supported by the state government.
1998 साकून ज्या दिसा आयुर्वेद पास आउट जावन गोंयान आयलो तेन्नाच्यान मनान धरून आसा की गोंयान आयुर्वेदाक राजाश्रय मेळचो किंवा जे गव्हर्मेंट जाता आनी जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर जाता ताचे कडेन रिप्रेझेंटेशन घेवन वचप हें खूब फाटली 12 ते 13 वर्सां करीत आयिल्लें आसा. म्हणल्यार आतां खंय तरी वेळ आयली की आयुर्वेदाक राजाश्रय दिवपा खातीर आमचे स्वताचे गव्हर्मेंट आनी त्या गव्हर्मेंटान हांव स्वता आसतलो, हांव स्वता आसा ही म्हाज्या खातीर खरोखरूच गर्वाची गजाल आसा.
In Goa state only one private Ayurved college is running. There is no Ayurved PG center. Goa state all Ayurveda graduates have to go in other state for PG study. So my humbly request to Honorable Chief Minister for establish in a separate Ayurveda university in Goa state with postgraduate center.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Enactment of the crucifixion of Christ was marked at Our Lady of Piety Chapel at Mont Hill in Madgaon. Large number of people participated in the act. This depicts that Jesus Christ's body was laid in the tomb after he was crucified on Friday.
After Jesus was crucified on Friday, his body was lowered from the cross. Late on the same evening, in Madgaon, the image was brought down at the Mount Chapel, and in a procession, along with the image of Mother Mary, hundreds of devotees walked in a procession. As a penitential rite, the devotees walked from Mount Chapel to Holy Spirit Church. Later, the dead body of Jesus Christ was laid in the tomb at a main altar of the church. Assistant priest of Holy Spirit Church gave us more details on the act and its significance to Christianity.
ह्या जाग्यार जेजूक नेकिपीच्या जाग्यार आल्ताराच्या सकलार जो ताचो फोंड आसा थंयसर आमी ताका घातला. 3 दीस तो ह्याच फोंडान नेकिपिल्लो उरतलो. त्या उपरांत पुनर्जीवनपणाचे परबे सुमार नव्यान जिवन जावन आमकां सगळ्यांक नवें जिवीत दितलो. ह्या कोश्टा मरणान वांटो घेताना आमचे पातक आमी रडूंक आनी जेजूच्या पुनर्जीवनपणा वरवीं खुशाल जिवीत आमकां जिवंक आयज जेजू आमकां आपयता. तर हीच कृपा दर एकल्याक आमकां फावो जावंक ह्या दिसांनी खतखत्यान आमी मागुया.
Jesus resurrected on the third day after he was crucified. Christians will celebrate Easter and a new life on Sunday. A reporter in Madgaon, Savio Dias.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.